In this video, I'll show you how you can change your Microsoft Teams profile picture. So it's actually quite simple to do this. All you need to do is open Microsoft Teams, of course, and then sign into your account. Now, next up, you want to click on your profile icon or this icon right there. And you'll then find your profile. Now, once you're here, you want to click on Edit Profile right there. They will send you over to this pop-up, and then you can actually change it. So you can click on Remove Picture, which gets rid of your current one, and then click on Upload Picture, and then upload your new profile picture. So this is where you can select your new profile picture. I'll just choose, let's see, I'll just go with this one right there. So open the file, and there you go, click Save, and you've then changed your profile picture. Now it might take a while to update. If I click on this, you'll still see this one. So it can take a few hours to properly update, but that's how you can change your profile picture on Microsoft Teams. If this quick tutorial helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.